All doctors and parents, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine. Today in this session or in this video, we're gonna discuss about the NEET PG 2023 revised cutoff. That whether in this session there will be any revised cutoff or not, because since last 1 week the multiple rumors has been spreaded that this revised cutoff is coming one day, 2 day. The file is already been ready and the due to this G20 the signature has not been done due to this delays. And so in this video we also going to discuss about the why exactly this late has been done and why the revised cutoff has not been revised after this All India round 2 and why the probable chances that it will be after the All India round 3 also, because since the beginning we are continuously have said that in this session you will be given 1 or 2 round less compared to the last year, as well as most probably it will be after the round 3. So we're going to give the complete explanation regarding it, that why I am saying this since the beginning, what are the possibilities of revised graph, up to what rank it can be revised, up to what score it can be revised, and again we're going to discuss about the how many authorities are going for it, what will be the seat conversion and everything, as well as after this revised graph if you're looking for a higher clinical branches, then what are the options available to you, as well as again a new rumor is spreading that NMC is doing some kind of experiment with you with the MOHF and everything. So we're gonna discuss on those points also. Before that, if you're new on this channel, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it, as well as do join our Telegram channel Admission Media, because whatever the latest update, the information, the PDFs of states and everything, we are continuously posting there. So if you haven't joined that group, do join it, because again after the revised graph we will be sharing the details there how to proceed for the counseling, as well as we have created a separate WhatsApp community where contact details will be visible to others, because it's a private community group. The link is already in comment section. If you're looking for that group, you can again join it. It's a totally informative group where the information and the updates regarding revised graph will be published there. So अगर आपने वो भी नहीं ज्वाइन किया है तो ज्वाइन करके रख सकते हैं. बात करूं, first thing we're going to discuss about that what happened till now. That is important because we have been also blamed for the same thing which we have never did or which we have never said. Out of the box, some people or some YouTuber arises, they have claimed or they have confirmed that revised graph is coming today, then it will be in 1 or 2 days, then up to 4 p.m. Then they have claimed that colleges has got the email or something. I won't be going in detail because we won't be creating the havoc or we won't be stretching the video length. Till now, if revised cutoff is going to be happen, none of a single college gonna get an email from AMC or MCC that be ready, we are going to revise the cutoff. It's totally fraud thing. If you gonna inquire with the any college of India, I'm not just saying to particular any college, if you have already studied your MBBS from your own college, talk to the college authority. They clearly will claim you that never have ever this kind of things or this kind of email would be shared to them. Even if email is shared to state authority, then we can understand that yes, they can ask that exactly how many seats are vacant. And if this mail has been done, then why they haven't shared the scorecard, or I mean the score that if colleges get ready, I'm revising the score up to 220, fill your seats by your own choice. This is not going to happen in this session, because all the counselings will be offline itself. Since the beginning I have said you, the counseling authority, the state counseling authority will be governing the things. Means only you can help yourself or a counselor can help you. None of a single college gonna help you to get their branch. Even the college's owner, the stakeholders, the trustees, anyone you gonna talk, they will clearly say, even if you are their own children, they can't help you out to get a seat in their own college. They will ask you or they will consult to a consultant who are experienced, who has been done the things since way before the things has been started. Only they can help you out to get your dream branch and dream things. Now the again rumor is there, NMC is doing some kind of research on you. Nothing like that. See what happened in this session, या इस सेशन में क्या डिफरेंट है लास्ट ईयर से, ये आपको समझना पड़ेगा. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स दैट व्हाट आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन NEET PG 2022 and NEET PG 2023, then you will be able to understand that why exactly this is happened in this session. Earlier what happened in PG 22, if I talk, the cutoff revision happened only after the All India round 2, because in round 3 there was no upgradation. In this session, what NMC has done or what the MCC has done, they have given the upgradation till your round 3, as well as till last year what happens, if you have already joined your state round 2 seat, they directly debarred you from the All India round 3. In this session, what is happening, they are allowing you to participate in the All India round 3 even if you have joined your state round 2. Condition is very simple, that if your state is giving the resigning date till the result is there, till the All India round 3 result, and you can resign that state seat, then you can apply the All India round 3 as well. There won't be any problem. It is clearly been stated, and for this also Bombay High Court has been done, and the result is that they have clearly opened the resigning date for 1 day, and out of that, approximately, if I talk about, we have already shared the data that almost 139 candidates more has been resigned their seat from All India round 2, and they went to their state, and almost 160 more seats has been added for your All India round 3. Earlier it was around, the complete statistics is already in our previous video, you can watch it. So the thing is that this rule has been changed, and due to this, again as per the new 2G, it has been seen that NMC will be debarring you from the straight round counselling if you have already joined any seat in either in All India round 3, or if you have already joined any seat in your state also. After the round 3 completion of state as well as All India, they will be sharing a list with each other to debar the counselling for the final round, which is used to be done earlier after the round 2 itself. So due to this change in rule, due to the upgradation in rule, already when NMC is very clear, or the MCC is very clear that more than enough candidates are available, because what happened in round 2, the rules has been changed that after this resigning date, you can resign the seat. Multiple candidates have got the seat and they dropped the seat and again come in the All India round 3 to take the seat, because if they have joined an upgrade, they won't be able to leave the All India round 3 seat and went back to their state. So it won't be like that. The rule has been changed, and due to this, the revised cutoff has not been published after the All India round 2, and it will be after the All India round 3 itself. In this video, we will be further discuss about that exactly when it can come. And this is the reason, since beginning, we have continuously said that in this session, you will be getting 1 or 2 rounds less compared to the last year, as well as we have already always hinted you that if you have just made an NRI document, it won't be possible that you will get the seat, because in round 3 itself, all the NRI seats will be converted to management and will be allotted accordingly. If again these seats will be vacant, then these seats will be available to stay round. That is the final round of counselling, and for that you will be having eligibility and you will be able to participate, because neither me knew for this nor you knew for this. Even the counselling authority, colleges authority, MCC, NMC, MOHF, everyone, even the parents, guardian and the counseling, everyone knows that once the revised graph happened, what happened to the NRI seats, and these revised candidates how get the higher clinical branches. Everyone is aware of that. They make the NRI document. Some are original. I'm not saying, I'm not blaming to anyone. Now I'm just giving you the exactly idea that what happens. Every candidate made an NRI document, they apply for the higher clinical branches and they get the seat, while the deserving candidates who have already got the rank, they don't get the seat. In the straight round, what happens, colleges allot seats directly to anyone not seeing at the score or the rank itself. So due to these things, this changes has been done, because everyone is aware of that after this revised cutoff, what gonna happen to the seats. This is the reason that the MCC has planned the things in this way, that the deserving candidates will be giving one more chance. Those candidates who are already eligible. I'm not saying those candidates who will be eligible after this revised graph, they won't be deserving. Everyone is deserving for a seat, but NMC or the MCC has planned in a way that those candidates who are already eligible, they will be given more chances to get a seat compared to the people who will be coming after this revised cutoff, because everyone know, as I have already said, that what exactly happens and how you guys get the seat. But it doesn't mean that revised cutoff won't be there. In the previous video, we have already cleared. For general, it will be around 1,50,000 plus minus 10 to 15,000, rank can vary. While for the category, it will be around 1,70,000, and again the variation can be seen as per the current status, as per the current scenario. If any further changes will be made, then again this data will be vary also. as well as if I talk about the if I talk about that exactly when it can happen. Again, one more rules has been changed in the states also. Earlier the things which has been done after the state round 2, that will be done after the that will be done in the state round 3 itself or after the round 3 itself. मतलब कि लास्ट ईयर जब रिवाइज कट ऑफ हुई थी तो सबने डायरेक्टली राजस्थान गए, हर कोई राजस्थान में अप्लाई किया, सीटें फिलअप की, हायर मैनेजमेंट कोटा की जो फीसें हैं वहां पे लोगों ने अप्लाई की और क्लिनिकल सीटें वहां से ले ली है. इस बार राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट हैज ऑलरेडी चेंज द रूल. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग, नाइदर आई एम ब्लफिंग. यू कैन चेक योर information bulletin of Rajasthan state as well as they have clearly mentioned that in the round 3 the seats will be reserved. I mean the seats will be reserved in the Rajasthan till the round 3 also for their state candidates only. मतलब कि जितनी भी सीटें हैं उनकी, जैसे पहले एमपी स्टेट हुआ करता था, आई मीन एमपी स्टेट है, राउंड 2 तक दे आर क्लोज स्टेट एंड आफ्टर इन राउंड 3 when none of MP state candidates are available, the domicile candidate is not available, then outsider को वो सीटें अलॉट करते थे. राजस्थान में भी ये रूल था but it was valid till round 2 only, but in this session they have extended to round 3 and they are clearly mentioned that अगर राउंड 3 में इवन आप रिवाइज कट ऑफ के बाद भी वहाँ पे जाके अप्लाई करते हो तो पहले प्रेफरेंस वो अपने स्टेट के कैंडिडेट्स को देंगे इवन इफ देयर रैंक इज लोअर रैंक, बिकॉज देयर स्टेट पॉलिसी. कोई भी स्टेट अपने स्टेट के कैंडिडेट्स को हमेशा प्रॉफिट देना चाहता है एंड दैट्स वाई द सीट्स विल बी अलॉटेड टू देयर स्टेट कैंडिडेट्स फर्स्ट एंड आफ्टर दैट अगर सीटें वैकेंट रहती हैं एंड नन ऑफ अ सिंगल कैंडिडेट अवेलेबल फ्रॉम देयर डोमिसाइल कैटेगरी और द 3 to 4 लॉज हैज बीन मेंशन्ड, अगर उस डोमिसाइल कैटेगरी को कोई नहीं फुलफिल करता है देन अदर स्टेट्स के बच्चों को मैनेजमेंट या एनआरआई या जो भी टाइप की सीटें उनको अलॉट की जाएंगी. सो स्टेट हैज ऑलरेडी अ thing or already a hint that it will be after the round 3 only, because if it is about to come after the round 2, why a state like Rajasthan had did this rule? This has been done since the counseling has begun. So these things will happen only if you have a good and proper information as well as the proper experience in this field. Just with the hint, just with a like having a sources not gonna help you, because multiple of the counselors, I mean 90% of the counselors in India, 90% agents in India has clearly claimed that it will be after the round 2 only, and we have continuously said after round 3 आने के ज़्यादा chances हैं. These are the reasons. जब आप हर एक स्टेट पर रिसर्च करोगे, हर एक स्टेट्स की चीज़ों को आप समझोगे, then you will be getting idea that exactly why this happened. So since the beginning it has been planned that कि राउंड 3 के बाद ही रिवाइज कट ऑफ लाएंगे एंड दिस इज द रीजन मल्टीपल ऑफ द स्टेट्स हैज ऑलरेडी चेंज देयर डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड हैव चेंज देयर एलिजिबिलिटी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. सो अभी भी रिवाइज कट ऑफ आएगी, 110% आएंगी. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कितना आएगा, वी हैव ऑलरेडी सेड as well as IMA, I mean Indian Medical Association has already requested a letter to our Honorable Home Minister Sahab Mansukh Mandavia ji, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ji, that do revise the cutoff up to 30 percentile. And if this gonna happen, so believe me, जिस रैंक की हम बात कर रहे हैं उसमें 10,000 बिलो रैंक तक की एलिजिबिलिटी आ जाएगी एंड पॉसिबिलिटीज आर हाई फॉर दिस, because even in the last session around 20 to 25 percentile reduced, and after that almost 4,000 seats got wasted. And to stop or to prevent these seats from getting wasted, these rules will be implemented and these rules and regulation will be done. And अगर मैं बात करूँ रिवाइज कट ऑफ कब आएगा, तो आपके ऑल इंडिया रिजल्ट के साथ, योर ऑल इंडिया रिजल्ट इज एक्सपेक्टेड ऑन 16th of September. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इन बिटवीन 17, 18, 19 आपके रिवाइज कट ऑफ पब्लिश कर दिए जाएंगे. इन केस नहीं होते हैं तो एट द वर्स्ट केस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द वर्स्ट टू द वर्स्ट केस, then it will be around the 29th of September. But 29th of September के बाद already your state round will be there, that is final round will be there. So after that chances नहीं रहेंगे, then you have to need to be panic, then you need to do the things and everything. But chances इसके सिर्फ 1% है. IMI and बाकी multiple other medical federation and the association are coming forward and requesting to the Home Ministry and to the NMC, to the MCC also to revise the cutoff as soon as possible. That's why I am saying 17, 18, 19 सितंबर के अप्रॉक्स में आपकी रिवाइज कट ऑफ पब्लिश कर दी जाएगी, जैसा कि ऑलरेडी इट हैज़ बीन डन इन द लास्ट ईयर दैट ऑल इंडिया राउंड टू रिजल्ट पब्लिश within 2 to 3 days the revised cutoff come. In the same way, all India round 3 result will be there, and after that it will be there within 2 to 3 days if they are not going to see the state vacancy after the round 3. Because अगर स्टेट्स की भी वैकेंसी वो चेक करने जाएंगे तो आपका 28 टू 29 तक ये रिवाइज कट ऑफ आएगा, बट इसके चांसेस सिर्फ 1% हैं. सो नो नीड टू पैनिक. द डेट वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन. इफ इन द इन बिटवीन अगर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन चेंज होते हैं या काउंसलिंग शेड्यूल को चेंज किया जाता है तो देन डेट्स विल बी एक्सटेंडेड और डिक्रीज्ड एज पर दैट. बट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 17, 18, 19, 20 सितंबर तक आपका रिवाइज कट ऑफ आ जाएगा. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कि जो एक और र्यूमर आ रही है कि सीट तो बचेगी नहीं, नथिंग लाइक दैट. सीट्स विल बी देयर एंड आई एम अगेन क्लेमिंग यू ऑन माई ओन कैमरा ऑन माई चैनल एडमिशन मीडिया, ऑन अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल एज वेल एज एवरीवेयर, that seats will be there. And if you are going with the process, if you are going with the things, then seats will be allotted to you as well. But अगर आपने NRI डॉक्यूमेंट बना के रखा था और आपको सोच रहे थे कि रेडियोडर्मा मेडिसिन मिल जाएगी, तो बिलीव मी दिस नॉट गोना हैपन इन दिस सेशन. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली चीजें रहेंगी वहां पे भी सीटें मिलेंगी. एंड वन मोर थिंग, गेट रेडी बिकॉज द न्यू रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन इज अबाउट टू बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर योर स्टे राउंड ऑल्सो. अभी तक क्लियरिफिकेशन नहीं आई है, या जो चीजें हैं वो मैं आपको ऑन कैमरा नहीं बता सकता हूं, बिकॉज मल्टीपल ऑफ द टाइम्स वी हैव सेड सिंस योर द इंटर्नशिप एलिजिबिलिटी डेट वी हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन अ हिंट. क्लियरली हमने नहीं बोला था. बात करूं पोस्टपोनमेंट के लिए, जब कोर्ट केस और बाकी चीजें हो रही थी तब भी हमने आपको हिंट दिया था, अगेन ओपनली नहीं बोला था. सिंस द बिगिनिंग वी हैव ऑलवेज सेड कि 1-2 राउंड कम मिलेगा और चांसेस, फिर थोड़े टाइम बाद वी हैव क्लियरली सेड कि राउंड 3 के बाद आने के ज्यादा चांसेस हैं. These are the hints which we are giving since the beginning. If you are unable to understand that, we can't help you out. अगर आपको rumors ही पसंद है तो we are not going to spread any kind of rumor कि आज ही आ जाएगा या sources की तरफ से ये चीजें हैं. Sources never reveal anything because these are the classified documents, these are the classified information, but they give us a hint, and through that hint and with mixing with our experience we come to know that exactly what gonna happen. And this is why I am saying स्टे राउंड के लिए नए रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन आने के ज्यादा चांसेस हैं. गवर्नमेंट सीटों के लिए अलग रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन रहेंगे, डीम्ड एज वेल एज स्टेट प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस, और स्टेट्स के लिए अलग रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन रहेंगे. बहुत जल्द नोटिफिकेशन और बाकी चीजें भी आएंगी, तो यू विल बी हैविंग अ क्लियर आइडिया दैट एग्जैक्टली क्या होगा. बट इवन इफ यू आर एलिजिबल आफ्टर दिस रिवाइज क्राफ्ट, बी अश्योर, बी 100% श्योर दैट सीट्स विल बी देयर. वी आर अश्योरिंग यू. ऐसा नहीं है कि रेडियोडर्मा मेडिसिन की सीटें नहीं रहेंगी, इट विल बी देयर, बट डिपेंड करेगा कि आप प्रोसेस कैसे कर रहे हो, कौन से स्टेट्स को टारगेट करके चल रहे हो, बिकॉज मल्टीपल ऑफ द स्टेट्स विल बी डूइंग देयर काउंसलिंग इन द ऑफलाइन मोड एट देयर वेन्यू. कॉलेजेस की डायरेक्ट इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं रहेगी, तो या तो आपको एक आपका काउंसलर हेल्प कर सकता है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग टू कॉन्टैक्ट एडमिशन मीडिया फॉर द कंफर्म सीट, एज पर योर सोच, एज पर योर थिंकिंग, एज पर योर थिंग. इफ यू थिंक एनी काउंसलर इज गुड, प्रोसीड विद देम ओनली. बट अगर आपको लगता है कि वी आर द राइट पर्सन, देन यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट अस ऑल्सो. द कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, दैट इज 9545904519. बट द कंडीशन इज वेरी सिंपल. If you are fixed with your branch, then you have to be flexible with your state or college option. And if you are fixed with your college or state option, then you have to be flexible with your branch option. And stay round as well as the mop-up round in the multiple states will be in the offline mode, and it will be done at their venue. So you have to be physically present with your document, DD and everything. So it's not gonna be like that कि आप घर पे बैठे बैठे चॉइस फिलिंग कर दिया, मल्टीपल स्टेट्स में अप्लाई कर दिया और सीट्स विल बी अलॉटेड टू यू. नो, राजस्थान प्लान कर रहे हो, बाकी स्टेट्स छूटेंगे. बाकी स्टेट्स को आप प्लान कर रहे हो, यू कैन एट अ टाइम प्लान ओनली वन स्टेट. एंड कौन से स्टेट्स में सीट्स की वैकेंसी रहेंगी, कितनी वैकेंसी रहेंगी, ये आपको सोच और समझ के चलना पड़ेगा. इट्स द मैटर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज वी आर पीपल हैविंग द इनफ एक्सपीरियंस टू गाइड यू. एंड अभी तक की अगर आप हमारी वीडियोस को चेक करोगे तो यू विल बी हैविंग आइडिया that how we have planned the things, how we have conveyed the things, and we have already and always given a hint. अगर आपको हिंट नहीं समझ में आया है, then it can be a problem, then it can be a confusion part. And for those details आप मुझे कांटेक्ट भी कर सकते हो, हमारे गिवन नंबर पे मैसेज भी कर सकते हो. as well as once the revised cutoff will be available, after that our team will be working 24/7 to help you out with your confusion, your question, everything. कॉल्स नहीं रिसीव होंगे तो जस्ट ड्रॉप मी योर स्कोर कार्ड विद द डिटेल्स एंड वी विल बी रिवर्टिंग बैक विद द रिप्लाईज, विद द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड एवरीथिंग. बट सिंस द बिगिनिंग वी हैव सेड एंड कंटिन्यूसली टिल नाउ आई एम सेइंग रिवाइज कट ऑफ के बाद भी आपको रेडियोडर्मा, मेडिसिन, गायनी, पीडिया और XYZ ईच एंड एवरी ब्रांच मिलेगा। सिर्फ डिपेंड करेगी कि आप चीज़ों को प्लान कैसे करते हो, आप बजट क्या लेके चल रहे हो, कौन सी स्टेट्स को टारगेट करते हो, कहाँ पे जाके काउंसलिंग करते हो। सीट्स विल बी अवॉर्डेड टू यू एंड सीट्स विल बी गिवन टू यू। This is in this video. If you have any question, any inquiry or any confusion, you can contact us on the given number below. As well as if you're looking for a premium things, then our higher clinical branches or the clinical branches, then you can avail our premium counseling services. The details is already on our website admissionmedia.in, or for those details you can contact me on the given number below on WhatsApp also. Thank you and thank you so much for watching this video and wish you all the very very best for your upcoming days, because बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. It will be a very hectic schedule. सो विद इन अ वीक सारी चीज़ें हो जाएंगी और आपको आइडिया भी नहीं लगेगा कि क्या हुआ और क्या नहीं हुआ. तो उन चीज़ों के लिए रेडी रहिए, हेक्टिक शेड्यूल के लिए रेडी रहिए. एंड रिवाइज कट ऑफ विल बी देयर, क्लिनिकल सीट्स विल बी देयर. सो नो नीड टू पैनिक, नो नीड टू वरी एट ऑल. थैंक यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.